Cleanliness and hygiene are essential maintenance for all coffee machine operators. Not only will your machine perform more efficiently, your coffee will taste better too. Cleaning is fast, simple and rewarding, but it does require some preparation. The tools you will need are detailed in the video description. Ensure your machine is at full temperature and you have finished making coffees for the day. The entire cleaning process should take no longer than 5 minutes. Remove all baskets from the portafilter heads using a spare basket to unclip them, or use a slim, flat-bladed screwdriver. Fill your plastic tub with approximately 500 ml of hot water, or deep enough to submerge your portafilter heads. Add 1 or 2 cleaning tablets or scoops of cleaning powder, and the heat of the water will dissolve this quickly. Soak both the baskets and the metal section of the portafilter for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, remove the portafilters and baskets from the water and rinse them under a cold tap. You can use a cloth to remove any stubborn coffee deposits. Clip the cleaning blank into one of the portafilters, take 1 tablet or 1 scoop of cleaning powder and place that inside the cleaning blank. Firmly insert the portafilter into the group head and activate the machine's semi-automatic cleaning cycle. To do this, hold down button 5 and then press button 1. This will engage the cleaning cycle on that group only. Once the cleaning cycle is finished, remove the portafilter from the group. Take your cleaning brush and scrub across and around the shower plate. Paying extra attention to the channel around the perimeter of the shower screen, as this is where the rubber group gasket is located. Once the shower and gasket are clean, activate the group using the continuous flow key, which is button number 5. You should wash away any residue of detergent and ensure the water runs clear. Reinsert the clean portafilter with the blank and repeat the cleaning cycle. Once the cleaning cycle is finished again, remove the portafilter and rinse the group one last time, making sure to wipe the underside of the shower plate with a clean cloth or paper towel to check that it is fully cleaned. Repeat this process with the second or third group if you have them.